And I forgot to add the white shoes the doll had previously. Hello everybody, how are you? And welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Mint, and today we are going to transform this beautiful LOL surprise doll into one of the newest LOL doll surprise series called LOL Surprise Under Wraps. And she's going to be awesome. You don't want to miss this tutorial. We are also going to transform her little sister. We are also going to have one mom. This Monster High is going to be our mom, or Pop Heart mom, because we are going to make a really beautiful LOL surprise family. Today is going to be super cool, super fun to do. So let's get started, okay? And here it is, my very first family. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make more families. It doesn't have to be an LOL surprise character. It could be any character that you like, with mom and little sister, big sister, father, and also with pets. And now it's time to start because I can't wait to start this beautiful Pop Heart family. For the transformation, we are gonna need a couple of colors. Blue, we are gonna need white, and we are also going to need black. The hair is pretty simple. We are going to start with a couple of blue lines. And apply a second layer. When everything is ready, we should have something like this. And when the paint is completely dry, we are gonna paint the blonde part, or the yellow part, black. For the little sister, we are also going to paint a couple of blue lines in her hair. Because she has brown hair, we are gonna apply black acrylic paint. Because the paint is completely dry, we are gonna go ahead and paint all the yellow part black. We are going to leave the headband with this color because we are gonna paint the headband red. So cute! When everything is dry, you should have something like this. And the beautiful little sister is ready as well. Well, at least the hair. We only need to paint the headband. For the little sister, don't forget to paint or add one red line to the hair. With the same red acrylic paint that we use for the headband, we are going to paint the lips. And now with the same blue we use for the hair, we are gonna paint the eyes. For the little sister, we are also going to paint her eyes blue. With the same blue, we are gonna add a couple of drops to the eyes. Now with a little bit of acetone, we are gonna get rid of the freckles. And now for the Barbie, or well, for the Monster High. She already has black base, which is perfect. We are only going to change the green part. We are going to paint that part with blue. This part actually takes a lot of time, so I'm going to show you a little bit of what I'm doing, and then I will show you the final result. We are almost ready to go with the makeup. The only thing missing is white eyeshadow, so we are gonna do that. Don't forget to add the same white eyeshadow to the little sister as well. When the Monster High doll is completely dry, you should have something like this. She's looking so good. I really love the hair with the black base. I love it. And now we need to paint her eyes blue. For the dress, we are gonna use the same dress that she already had, and we are gonna paint the top part and the bottom part blue. For the Monster High, I'm choosing this really old Barbie dress that I already had. Based on the design of the dress, is perfect for the look that we are going for. The only thing we need to do is to paint everything with blue acrylic paint. You should have something like this when the dress is completely dry. I'm gonna cut this black part because we don't need it for the style that we are going for. And this is how the top and bottom part of the dress is looking. And now for the details, we are gonna add a couple of white dots to the skirt. We are also going to add a couple of dots, white dots, to the shirt, like this. And for the skirt, we are gonna paint this type of design, this pop art design with white acrylic paint. The big dress as well. We want the Barbie and the big sister and the little sister to match. So we have a little skirt for the LOL doll, and we have a really big dress for the Monster High or the Barbie. And now for the final details, we only need to add a couple of red dots to the legs, like this. And now we are ready to dress the dolls. And well guys, this is how the little sister is looking. I paint the diaper blue. And this is how the big sister is looking. She's so good. I think she really looks like the original doll. So you can make it yourself if you can't wait to get your hands on the new series. For the details, I just added black lines with black acrylic paint all around. I also added the word pop and also 3 lines, 1 black line, then 1 yellow line, and at the end 1 red really small line to the dress. And of course, for the beautiful mom, she is looking so good. And now the mom and the big sister, they have the same dress. It's super cute. She also has the red dots to 1 leg. I love it. I really love it. I love the color for her. And now you can also have your own Pop Heart family. I really like the design of this doll and all the inspiration. Let me know in the comments if you want me to continue with these LOL surprise families. I can do any character that you want. And well, it's time for me to go. I will be posting videos every other day, so I will see you soon. And if you are not part of the Mint family, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you never miss one of my videos. Thank you so much if you are already subscribed. I love you a lot. Keep being awesome, and I will see you soon. Mint out. Bye bye. Mwah.